Hey everybody, Lukas here from Phillis Ford in Christie's Beach, South Australia. Just a quick walk around for you of our beautiful 2024 Ford Everest Sport. Now this one here is a 24.5 build, so it was built halfway through the year, and it is obviously black on black sport, rear wheel drive. The vehicle presents in beautiful condition, respectfully probably better than new. Aside from the dust and raindrops that we have on the vehicle at the moment, it has received a full paint correction and looks absolutely gorgeous. In terms of the vehicle's features, it does have the genuine Ford tow kit fitted from factory. So that's the integrated brake controller and the tow bar kit with the 12-pin plug. All four tyres are in near brand new condition and the alloys are much the same. Interior wise is absolutely beautiful, pretty well untouched. In terms of the quality of vehicle, you can see there's no marring, no marks, no impressions or anything like that in the leather from children's seats or people sitting back here. And you can see there on the backrests of the front seats, there's no footprints, no marks from things being caught or anything like that. There's a very tiny bit of debris in the back of the car, so I would suggest that somebody's been back here at some point, but by no means have they done a great deal of dirt. In the back of the vehicle here, we currently have the seats laid down, opening up that cargo space, but it is a 7-seater. Now I'll just wander around to the front of the vehicle. This car has been reduced now from $64,998 to $62,998. So to get all of this for such a low price is incredible. And obviously offering 3.5-ton towing, you probably couldn't go past the Everest. You can see their entertainment unit and brake controller in frame. Again, everything genuine Ford. Like I said, this car is on special, reduced $2,000 from $64,000 down to $62,998. So if you do have any questions, or it's the type of vehicle that you've been in the market for, much like I'm saying to everybody else, please get in touch with us as soon as you can do. Simply put, I'd hate for you to miss the opportunity on such a nice vehicle at such a great price, just because you didn't pick up the phone. Alrighty, once again, Lukas here from Phillis Ford Pre-Owned Vehicles in Christie's Beach, South Australia. My phone number is 0478 016 180. Look forward to speaking with you soon.